a wonderfully melodic and slightly on the slower side of things compared to a few previous duets. This little duet offers plenty of musical moments, plenty of opportunities to express your musicality with another player or with my MP3 backing tracks that I'm providing on Patreon for you guys to play with. And remember, you can use those to speed up or slow down or what have you. They're flexible, so they're designed for that. And of course, I'm uploading the PDF of this duet on my Patreon page as well. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.